So I talked about Maldorini network a couple of months ago, and I showed us how to actually register and start mining this token. Okay, so it is time for KYC. If you come here, go and update your app. Although at some point the app started malfunctioning, where if you want to log in, it takes time. It started glitching and all that. So the app is back and running. Okay, so I don't know if some of you have forgotten about your Maldo mining app. Okay, so go and refresh, like update it first, start mining, then do your KYC because an announcement was made on their page. So we are hoping for the best. Okay, so before that, I'm going to show you how to KYC. All right, first update your wallet and then come over to this three hamburger sign at the top, click on it. You're gonna see here where it says home team profile KYC. Click on to actually go to the KYC page. Let's see what we'll be asked to submit. Okay, wait for it to load. So Maldorini Network KYC, verify your Maldo network account by providing a valid government issued ID. This usually takes less than 10 minutes. Click the start KYC button below to start your Maldorini Network KYC process. What you would need: prepare a valid government issued ID. Make sure your device camera is uncovered and working perfectly. Be prepared to take a selfie clearly showing yourself holding your government issued ID. Okay, in my other videos where we did KYC like this, I always told you that you should take a picture of yourself holding your ID and leave it on your phone in case there might be a need for it. You don't need to take a fresh one. Okay, so it says, please note, this is a one-time process. Make sure you are 100% ready before clicking the Start KYC button below. The Maldorini Network KYC verification process may take between 1 to 90 days. Okay, by clicking the Start button below, you consent to Maldorini Technologies LLC and Maldorini Network using image of your ID and selfie, including extracted biometrics data to verify your identity. And for Maldorini Technologies LLC, stay safely and security purpose, including preventing impersonation. Maldorini Technologies LLC and Maldorini Network may store such data for up to 90 days. Okay, what it means is what this last part means is that if that your information is going to be stored in their database for 90 days in case anyone is trying to use one document to verify multiple accounts, because a lot of people are like that. They want to always loot. So if you have multiple accounts, it's time to choose one of the accounts you love most and leave the rest, because you can't verify all with the same information unless you have a different identity to use for verification. That's when you can go ahead. Okay, so if I click on start KYC right now, I'll proceed. Okay, so I want to make sure you take note of what they said. Okay, what you need is: number one, prepare a valid government issued ID. Two, make sure your device camera is uncovered and working perfectly. Then three, prepare to take a selfie clearly showing yourself holding your government issued ID. You heard it. So which means they're going to automatically take a selfie of you holding it here. Okay, so for those of you who are using the temporary national ID, it is time for you to go get your plastic IDs, or you do the premium name slip, which you actually print online, pay some fees, and then go to cyber cafe to cut it to the size of the normal ID before you'll be using that one for online verifications before your plastic ID is finally ready. That is what most of us are using. Okay, so that is it. Let's proceed. I'll click on start right now. Once you click on start, it brings you to their page here. Scroll down, you're going to see this area, and you might see a number like some alphabet like this. I just advise you leave it like that. Okay, don't touch it. Just come over here, put in your full name, email address, mobile number, country of residence, type of ID. Choose your type of ID. Firstly, I'm going to choose my country and then do the rest from I'm gonna do the rest behind this. I'm not gonna show you guys my number or sensitive information. Please, I'm going to scroll down to choose your country. Okay, if you're from Nigeria, if you're from Ghana, New Zealand, wherever you're from, choose your country. For me, I'm from Nigeria, so type of ID. Now I have national ID. That is what I have. So I would be prompted to upload the front and the back. Okay, Then after you upload front and back, come here and click on take a selfie. That is when you will now hold your ID card and take a selfie of yourself. You can even ask somebody to help you take a selfie. Okay, now let me put other information, upload the front side and back side before we take a selfie. Okay, so guys, I have uploaded the front side of my ID and the back side, and now I'm gonna click on take a selfie. Let's click on that. So if you actually on this page where you click on take a selfie and it says Maldorini wants to access your camera, and you click on allow, and then they shows you this thing. There is one setting you need to actually turn on in your settings area to be able to allow it to access your camera. I say this, I can't ask for your permission, close any tab. And sometimes it's because I'm using this recording stuff, this screen recorder. Okay, but if it's in your own case, if you find this thing, go to your settings, search for Chrome browser, search for permission, and then make sure you allow all permission. Okay, I want to make this, let me go and show you what I mean, because I know a lot of people will encounter this. Okay, let me go show you what I mean. So open up the setting in your phone. If you encounter that, why mine is showing that is because I'm using screen recorder. Immediately I remove the screen recorder, I will be able to access everything. Okay, but there are in some cases when people encounter such because they don't give access to anything. Maybe they turned off access to allow any website access their app or something. So let's go to settings and search for app management. Okay, I don't know what yours will be saying because all phones are not the same. Now I'm going to search and click on app list and search for Chrome, because that is Chrome browser I'm using to operate. Okay, so you search for the, if you're using any other browser, search for it and click on permissions. Okay, once you click on permissions, make sure camera is allowed, contacts is allowed, files and media is allowed, location, microphone, nearby are allowed. Okay, and make sure it is a no permissions denied, so that you'll be able to access the website. So I'm going to turn off my screen recorder because that is my own reason why I'm not able to get access to my camera. Then after that, I'll click on selfie and complete the KYC. So guys, after you must have done all the verification, for example, you must have inputted your full name, your email address, your phone number, and the type of ID card. Remember that first alphabet I showed you the first time I said you should not touch is your Maldorini ID. Okay, don't touch it. So after you put in those information, upload the front side of your national ID and the back side, the next thing to do is to take a selfie of yourself holding your national ID. Okay, hold it and make sure, even though your name does not show up, because their selfie camera is not really capturing things very well. So but the only thing you have to really concentrate for it to show in that camera is your ID number. That's your NIN number. Okay, your NIN number. Make sure it is showing very well, even though your name does not show. Make sure it is showing very well, because when they check the front side of the ID you submitted and the digits you are holding, if they are the same thing, they are going to approve you, knowing very well that it's possible that everything cannot be captured. Okay, so guys, that's all for now. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to actually subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Don't forget that I said that if there is any latest update in all the crypto mining apps we are on, I'm going to bring them to you until we are finally able to withdraw them all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.